spread some cheer. Go grab last year's fruitcake and let it thaw out. Put a Bud Light can on the top of the tree, Scotch tape some socks on the front of the chimney, and sing out loud, 'cause old Red's coming to town. Yeah, and deck the double wide with boughs of holly, unwrap the whiskey, let's get jolly. Better run, Rudolph, Uncle Slim's already drank too much, and he's on that hunt. Light the bonfire, y'all gather round, ice down and get it, put the tailgates down, and the inflatables out, 'cause old Red's coming to town. Get jolly. Better run, Rudolph, Uncle Slim's already drank too much, and he's on that hunt. Light the bonfire, y'all gather round, ice down and get it, put the tailgates down, and the inflatables out, 'cause old Red's coming to town. Santa's bringing his bag full of toys, giving it out to all the good girls and boys. Pretty sure we're on the naughty list, so Santa